Hi everyone. Today let us discuss about quadratic equations. The term quadratic comes from the Latin word quadratus, which means square. Quadratic equations are second type of equations which comes after linear equation. In a linear equation we have seen the power of the unknown values is 1 or the degree of the equation is 1. In case of a quadratic equation, the degree of the unknown will be 2 or power of the unknown will be 2. So, an equation in which the highest degree of the variable is 2, then we can call it a quadratic equation. Now, quadratic equations are equations of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and in this equation a, b, c are constants. X is the unknown in this equation, and we can see that the highest degree of unknowns in this equation is 2, that is x raised to 2. A quadratic equation is a polynomial equation of degree 2. Now let us take an example. Here I have taken 3x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, and we can see that the equation is exactly in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And to call an equation a quadratic equation, there is one more condition, that is the constant a should not be equal to 0. If a becomes 0, x square, the term x square will also becomes 0. Then the equation is automatically converted into a linear equation, and it cannot be called a quadratic equation then. So in this example, the constants are 3, 4 and 5, and the unknown is x. The 3 in the term 3x squared is generally known as a quadratic coefficient, and the 4 in 4x is called a linear coefficient, and the 5 is called simply a constant or a free term. Now coming to the solution of a quadratic equation. The solution of a quadratic equation is called root of a quadratic equation. That is, by solving a quadratic equation, we mean that we find a value or we assign a value to the unknown x. And while solving a quadratic equation, usually we get two values for x. That values assigned to x is known as root of that particular quadratic equation. So, the unknown in a quadratic equation will have two roots. Now let us discuss the types of quadratic equations. Quadratic equations are generally divided into two, that is pure quadratic equation and general quadratic equation. In a pure quadratic equation, the general form we have already seen. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If in that particular equation, if the constant b is 0, then the equation will automatically becomes ax square plus c equal to 0. Such an equation in which b is 0 or the linear term is not present is called a pure quadratic equation. Now let us take an example of a pure quadratic equation and find the root of the equation. Here I have taken 5x squared minus 125 equal to 0, and we can see that there is the second term is absent in this particular equation. That is why it is called a pure quadratic equation. So for solving this particular equation, we are moving the constant term or the free term to the right hand side. Then the equation will become 5x square is equal to 125. When minus 125 is taken to the other side of the equation, it will become positive 125. 5x square is equal to 125. Again we move 5 to the other side. Here it is multiplication. When it is taken to the other side, multiplication will become division. Then x square is equal to 125 divided by 5, which gives 25. X square is equal to 25. Then x is equal to root 25. That is, the power when moved to the other side will become root. X is equal to square root of 25. 25 is having a perfect square, that is 5. The square root of 25 is 5 or negative 5. So x is equal to 5 or negative 5. That is, if we multiply 5 into 5 or negative 5 into negative 5, we will get 25. So the root of x in this particular equation is 5 or negative 5. Like this, we solve a pure quadratic equation, and it is similar to the way in which we solve the unknown in a linear equation. Now the second type of a quadratic equation is a general quadratic equation. All the common quadratic equations we see are called general quadratic equations. That is, the general quadratic equations are equations of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The square term as well as linear term will be present in a general quadratic equation. That is, a and b will not be equal to 0. These are the general facts related to a quadratic equation. Thank you.